Hello, my name is Adri Pelcastre.
Hello, I am Romy Cervantes.
Hello, I am Fer Godínez.
And today we will see used to.
Used to it serves for habits or actions that you used to do in the past, but right now you don't do it anymore. For example, I used to play soccer, but right now I don't play it anymore. For the affirmative, we use subject plus used to plus verb. For example, I used to wake up early. For the negative, we use subject plus didn't plus used to plus verb. For example, I didn't used to like coffee. And for the question, we use did plus subject plus used to plus verb. For example, did you used to play piano? The expression used to is only for the past, only describe the past. And in the negatives, we don't use used to. We only use used to because we have the didn't that is in the past. In the past, life was very different from today. Many years ago, people used to investigate information in an encyclopedia instead of searching on internet. They used to listen to music on a CD player or on a record player, and people used to make phone calls on a traditional telephone. And technology has changed a lot over the years. Before, people didn't use to send message on a phone. They used to do it on a public phone. Many years ago, people didn't use to listen to music on a speaker. They used to use a cassette player, and they didn't use to write letters by email. They used to use a typewriter.